it's the old
It's not live this time.
The grandkids. I don't believe it. I've actually got a watch party going on.
There's a watch party.
In a group called Will to Win.
George.
Hello.
Why is this shit not live? Why are we not doing it live? It's so funny.
Well, you should be.
We should be doing it live.
When you did the one that was live, we were having a bit more of a laugh. So.
I think because it's live, you just like, whatever, right?
Yeah. We're going to fuck up anyway. Let's not fuck up properly.
Oh, well, yeah, and well, isn't that what's real? Isn't that why people watch things to watch people make mistakes, right? I mean, did people?
Everyone wants to see you mess up.
They go to the football match to see people trip and fall over and get punched in the face.
Who watched Ski Sunday to see who won?
Oh no! You watch the ski jump stuff.
You actually want to see the guy that trips and comes out of it. Of course you do.
Yeah. You've either got on YouTube. You've either got people are awesome, and there's some girl licking her ass or something, and you've got it's just broken the chair.
I've just broken the chair. We could do a video of us playing with the chairs. It'd be hilarious.
How not to run in the stage?
We're professional, honest.
It's also, so the people are awesome, or you've got the other side, which is
downright ridiculous.
Which is the people falling into the fountain while reading their mobile phone or something. Yeah, so people being amazing or people being stupid. There's very little in the middle. Oh, which reminds me of something about marketing.
Oh,
yeah, which is she's gone. No, it's what kind of marketing works. Either things have to be too big or too small. Yeah. So yeah, the extremes, absolutely, the extremes. So you've got but what you do is, and it works all the time, you take something which is big and you make it small, or you take something which is small and make it big. And that's it, right? What's that behind you? It's something big and you've made it smaller. Yeah, yes, but that's the principle within. That's why
then?
That's
something big is tiny.
Well, that's marketing, though. I mean, that's what they do.
Yeah, but did you see that side of it?
This is Remax Elite for a service that will really move you. I know I've heard the speech. Yeah, I've heard it. It's the elevator pitch, right? It's part of the elevator pitch. Yeah, that works for some people, and I get it. I'm not one of those people, though, because my brain works differently, as you can see. That's why I'm here today, because if I was normal, I wouldn't be here.
All right, cheers.
That's a
compliment. Good. Normal, you wouldn't be here.
The future is created by people being different, right?
Well, you can't say that we're normal. Come on.
You don't. Success is, what's that Apple thing? The crazy ones. Here's to the crazy ones, right?
Yeah.
Here's to the crazy ones. And it's all about the fact that the people who changed the world, the people who changed the future, were all people who, people thought they were mad, right? They were all the Wright brothers. You'll never get that thing off the ground. See? Yeah, yep. Okay. Yeah, absolutely. The history was always changed by people doing things their own way, doing things differently. Baxter's company used to have a slogan, be different, be better. I mean, and you know what that was? You know what they did with that? They had that in giant letters on the side of their building. Because I remember that because I used to go to school, right? I used to go to school on the school bus, going past the Baxter's factory buildings. And on the side of them in giant letters was, be different, be better.
It's a bit like Nike, isn't it?
Yeah, just do it. Yeah, it's like the Nike thing. Yeah.
Just do it.
Yeah, absolutely. This is a